People always ask me how I'm so brave. Traveling alone, moving to a new city halfway through college. The answer is, I'm not always brave. There are always times I'm scared beyond belief. The difference is, I do it anyways. This is how Unorganized and Lost began. I wanted to take the never out of people's vocabulary. Proving you don't always have to be organized to follow your dreams, and getting lost isn't always a bad thing. As the concept grew, I started to realize this wasn't just a concept with travel, but with life. People have perception that when someone is, quote, successful, they did it perfectly. They got there seamlessly. The more people I talk to, the more stories I hear, the more I've realized everyone is a little unorganized and lost. And honestly, that's okay.